Hello, this is Dr. Luke from Pro Honest Chiropractic. I want to go over the lawnmower drill that we do. So you're going to get into like a landing position like you normally would. You're going to get into that less than 90-degree arm angle that we like, and then you're going to really work on, in this position, rotate back and then throw. So we're not really getting stuck in this position here and going, because we want to be in that fast motion when we get to that position. So we're going to be in a still position here, rotate back, and then throw through, making sure we're really getting that less than 90-degree angle.